Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, thank you guys so much. I can't even believe that we are like 500,000 in here. Like, that is insane. Thank you guys so much. I have a couple of things to discuss with you guys. First of all, if you guys have not seen my IG stories where I announced that I will be having a masterclass this October 12th at BC in Session in downtown LA, then here I am announcing it now. I will be having a masterclass, and following that there will be a meet and greet where I would get to obviously meet you guys in person, hug you, take selfies, talk, like literally just hang out. Along with that, you guys will also be receiving a gift box valued at $725. This box is huge. Like, let me just show you guys. It is so big, I literally can't even fit it in the frame. It has so many goodies, which brings me into today's video. I wanted to create a look for you guys where I will be using most of the products in the box. So when you guys do get your gift boxes, you will have something that you could recreate if you like this look. To purchase a ticket to attend my class, all you have to do is just click the link in the description box, and don't forget to use my code Melly in Session, which will give you 20% off. No one was gonna tell me I had lipstick in my teeth. If you guys want to know how I created this look, or if you're just here to see what goodies will be in the box, then keep on watching. So I'm first gonna be going in with the Evian face spray, and we are just going to drench our whole face with this. Ooh, this feels so good. It's literally like such like a fine mist. Oh my god, it feels so hydrating, guys. Next, I'm gonna be going in with some moisturizer, and I'm gonna be using the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hydrating Moisturizer. A little bit of that. This is like a lot, actually, not even a little bit. Ooh. We're just gonna apply that all over the face. Oh my god, this feels so nice, guys. It's just like so smooth. Oh my god, and it feels super hydrating. I'm just gonna be applying a little bit of my everyday concealer to my lids just so I can have a clean base to start with. Taking my sponge, I'm just gonna be blending that out. So of course now we have to set this concealer, and for that I'm gonna be using the Pure Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Just look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, such a cute packaging. I'm not gonna rub, we're just gonna tap it on. The eyeshadow palette that will be coming in the box is from Ace Beauty. So this one is called Blossom Passion, and just wait till you guys see how beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness, how pretty is this freaking palette? It's so versatile, it has so many different colors. Like, just look how pretty. The first shade I'm going to be going into is going to be the shade Carnation. I'm just applying that on the crease. Yeah. Next, I'm going to be going into the shade Red Rose. And I'm going to be applying this shade in the exact same place that I applied that first color, but we're not going to blend it up as high. Next, I'm going to be going into the shade Lust. For this step, I'm going to be using an angled brush, and I'm just going to start drawing that cut crease. So we're just literally going to follow along exactly where we place those colors, but we're just drawing a line, and then we're going to be blending it, so don't even worry about it. And if your line doesn't come out completely straight, don't even sweat it, because we are going to be going in with concealer underneath and cleaning that up. So if you mess up, it's totally fine. These eyeshadows are so easy to blend. Like, they literally just, you barely need to do work, seriously. Next, I'm gonna be going into the color Seduction. I'm doing the exact same step that we just did. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my angled brush and just define this line even more. Now I'm just gonna take a flat brush and a little bit of concealer, and I'm just gonna be following that line that we created and just cleaning it up. I literally can't breathe while doing this step. I'm gonna be using 3 different eyeshadows on the lid. For the inner corner of the eye, I'm gonna be going in with the color Dahlia. For the middle part of the lid, I'm gonna be going in with the shade Carnation. And finally, for the outer V, I'm gonna be applying some of the shade Love. Now I'm just gonna take that same angled brush that I used before in the shade Seduction, and I'm gonna go over that line again just to make it really defined. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take some of these wipes that also come in the box. We literally hooked you up with everything. And I'm just gonna be taking this and obviously cleaning up the outer V of this eyeshadow because right now it's looking messy. Yes, wipes! For eyeliner, I'm gonna be going in with Eve Pearl's Smudgeproof Liquid Liner. It literally just glides on and the tip is so fine. So I went ahead off camera and just finished my base. Now I'm gonna be baking my nose and right underneath my cheekbones just to make sure that it looks extra snatched. For that, I'm gonna be going back in with Pure Cosmetics Translucent Loose Powder. And you can be really generous with this because we really wanted to do its thing. I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm just gonna add a little bit of that underneath my cheekbones. Going back into that Ace palette, I'm just gonna be going into the shade Carnation and then adding a little bit of the shade Love. I'm gonna be smoking out my lower lash line with those two shades. For mascara, I'm gonna be going in with Eve Pearl's Glamour Lash Mascara, and I'm gonna be adding this to both the top and lower lash line. For blush today, I'm gonna be using Laura Geller's Soft Matte Baked Blush in Cherry Blossom and Cherry Bloom. This color is so pretty. I can't wait to see it on. So I'm just gonna, oof, you have to be really careful with this blush because it is pigmented. For highlight today, I'm gonna be using Iconic London's Illuminator. So this is a liquid highlighter, so you kind of have to be very, very careful with how you use it. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of that on the back of my hand. Taking my damp sponge, I'm going to go ahead and apply it onto my cheeks. And I'm just tapping that on. You kind of have to move very quickly with this because obviously you are going over powder. So you don't want to let it sit and then you can't blend it out. If you use a damp sponge, it just blends in super easily. And I'm also adding little by little, like I'm not going in with a lot at first. Now to line my lips, I'm just gonna be going in with QVEEN's Stan Lip Liner. So you could of course stop here and don't add anything else to the lips if you want, but I like to always have a little bit of gloss, so I'm gonna go in with Colorpop's Ultra Glossy Lip, and this one is in the shade Fantasia. And this is just like a super pretty nude. So pretty. Oh my god, this smells so good. It smells like coffee, like caramel coffee. Oh. I want some right now. I'm gonna be going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter. That completes the look. This look came out so bomb. Like, I did not even expect it to come out this cute, but shit, it came out really pretty. We didn't even use all of the products that come in the huge gift box. Like, look at how many products still we did not even use. We didn't even get through them. There's literally so many good goodies in this gift box. For those of you who would like to attend my masterclass on October 12th at BC in Session in downtown LA, the link will be directly in the description box, so just click that check that out. Don't forget to use code MELLYINSession for 20% off your ticket. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.